Remember me? I'm Candy. Remember me? I'm Kelly. Today we're gonna be doing the candy challenge. This is how the candy challenge works. This plate right here has many candies, and we're going to be blindfolded, and the one who guessed right, she is the winner, and the loser will smile.
What's that?
Let me taste first. I can smell it.
What?
Mentos.
Mentos. Okay, the second one.
Eat that already. No. Wait, I'm gonna eat it. Taste it.
Don't touch.
I'm a monkey. Don't get here. Yeah, the front.
Next one.
Okay. At this next.
Hmm?
Is that the game where? Okay. Go, taste another one. Mommy said. Okay. Here.
What's that?
My favorite, the coffee one.
What's the name? What are you looking?
Nothing. I gotta.
What? You know that.
It's Kapika.
Yes.
Mama can spin it because it's going to be long.
Yeah. Put it down. Next.
Is this a plate?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
What's it? This is yummy. I cannot stop laughing. This is yummy. It's the
Baka malul.
but I cannot think. I taste this on a birthday party. It's different taste now.
What?
But is it a butterball?
Next one.
Okay. Is it a plate? Oh. Okay. That's a candy. Wow. Okay. This is the last one now. Where is it?
Yeah.
I know you all know it. I love this candy. It's the how.
Okay. Balik na naman.
This one, guys. At the turn. I don't know what I'm doing. I think this is.
Hey, don't touch.
Is that Mentos?
Final answer?
Yeah. Mentos. finish it.
Don't say.
This tastes like popcorn. This? Oh, wait.
I'm sure you know that.
I think. Kind of cute, sweet. Kind of. Is this coffee cup?
Next. Ew.
I know you know that.
Yeah.
What's this? I don't know. Wait. Kind of ball. Tastes like butter. It tastes like butter popcorn, right? The taste is so yummy, like buttered popcorn. You're so close now. I cannot
You know that or not?
You're so close.
Next.
Butterball? Can I spit it?
Yeah. Ew. Last one.
So hard. Kind of squarey. Is this color white? You can see that? No, I can't. I'm just looking at. Kind of squarey. I think this is. No.
What?
Wait, again. 10 seconds. Is this ho-ho?
Okay.
Mommy, who's the winner? Yeah, I'm so excited. No hugging.
The winner is
B Sports.
Kelly and Ken.
Yay! We both win because we know. It's like an EOS, but it's not an EOS. And the flavor is strawberry, and this smells like the lollipop that is flavored lemon. It tastes like the purple, the grape one. Yeah, this is smell like grape